All right, so now we're going to look at how do I create a citation for a website that I use for research. So the template is author's last name, author's first name, the title of the page, then the title of the website, then the publisher, the date published, and then the URL, which is the link that you type into the search bar. All right, so I picked a site that we can practice on. So we're looking at Pebble Go Next, and we are studying Native Americans. So I'm going to click on this American Indian history. And then let's say I was doing the Great Plains tribe. I'd click on that, and then I'd pick an article. So I'm going to go ahead and do Great Plains tribal nations. Oops. All right, so Pebble Go Next does something really cool for us. So if you're using this for research, it cites for you. So after I had read this and made notes about it and included some of it maybe in my artist statement, all I would need to do is click on this citation button here at the bottom toolbar, and then it gives me several options of how I could cite my work. Now, we are using MLA format because that's what you're going to use in middle school and that's what you'll use in high school. Okay, so it's this middle box. So all you would have to do is push the copy button and then paste it right into your bibliography. So it's really easy. But for right now, let's practice actually putting it into our template. Okay, so I'm looking and I don't see an author's last name or first name. So if I go back to my template, I don't have anything to put here or here. So if you don't, sometimes for websites, you can't find an author, and so you just don't need to put anything for that. You'll just start with the title of the page. So let's go look back at what the title was. It's called The Great Plains Tribal Nations. So we'll go ahead and put that in our template. The Great Plains Tribal Nations. And then we put a period at the end of the title and make sure that we put quotation marks for it. And then we're going to put the title of the website. So let's go see what the title of the website was. Now, it's not always going to be Pebble Go Next. For example, here it's the American Indian History. So we'll put that there in our template. Oops. One second. There we go. So it was American Indian History was the title of our website. Now, we would normally type this in italics, but since I'm writing it, and then you put a comma, and then you put the publisher. So let's go see who the publisher was. And it's Capstone, and it was written in 2020, so that's the publishing year. And so I would write Capstone as the publisher. And then the date, I just need to put the year, so 2020. And then my URL. Now, I'm not going to actually write it all because it would be really long, but it's the link of where you found the website. So for us, I'll show you, it's the http://www.pebblego.com. So this is how you would write your citation for a website. Now, remember, some sites might let you just cite it automatically, so be looking for that because some websites do help you with it.